Hey guys, good morning. This is Dawal here, and you are watching KT Architect. So, welcome to KT Architect. So, today in this video, we'll talk about angular brick wall. So, in this video, we'll make one brick wall, but इस वीडियो में हम जो brick wall बनाएंगे उसमें कुछ different होगा. जो brick है वो angular shape में होगी. I mean, as you can see on the screen, we'll make this kind of angular brick wall. So I'll show you step by step tutorial and each and every step in detail in this video. So for the better understanding, keep watching till end. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, we have 3D view and we have level 1. So first of all, we'll make curtain wall over here. And before that, we'll make one curtain panel family. So यहाँ पे we need to create curtain panel family. For that, we'll go over here in the file tab. Okay, before that, let me explain or let me share the dimension of brick first of all. So first of all, we'll consider the length of brick. Let me draw a detail line over here. We'll keep it in millimeters. So length is let's say 230 mm, and the you can say width of the brick let's say 110 mm for now, and okay, like this way. And we'll keep the height of the brick is 70 mm. Okay, just I am sharing this dimension of brick for the information. So we'll use this dimension in the you can say in the curtain panel family. Okay, also just let me show the diagonal dimension. Okay, this is our I guess 255 mm in the millimeters. So okay, I'll show you in the when I'll create the family of curtain panel. Okay, so to create the curtain panel, let's go to over here in the file tab, and over here we'll find the let's say new. Okay, and in the family, here we'll open the metric template. We'll use metric template, and first of all, let me search the curtain panel. Okay, so this is our curtain wall panel metric family template. Okay, and we'll open this one. Okay, so as you can see, we have exterior view 1 left and reference level. Okay, let me close over here. Let me close first of all 3D view, and let me change to tile view. Okay, we don't need left view, so we'll close it. Okay, okay, now the view is fine. We have organized in systematic manner. Okay, so first of all, let me create the brick. So over here, I'll change some dimensions. So as I said, we'll consider the 70 mm of a brick height. So यहाँ पे हम 70 mm will put 70 mm. Okay. Okay. So for now, I'm keeping the 140 mm. So let me change to 140 mm because we'll make two layer of brick. So 70 plus 70, 140 mm. And for the width, we'll consider over here the length. Okay, as I said over here, we have a length of 230 mm and width is 110, and the diagonal dimension is I think approximately 255 mm. So over here, we'll make here 255 mm. Let me draw one detail line, symbolic line in the family. Over here, we'll go to annotate, and over here, we'll draw symbolic line. Okay, so here we'll make one symbolic line. Here again, we'll make one symbolic line. Second one, let me go to annotate, symbolic line. यहाँ से let me draw 255 mm symbolic line. Okay, and again we'll draw second one. Okay, now we'll move here to from center point to here. So we can adjust the width in the family. Okay, now we'll align the reference plane to this line. Okay, so let me measure Let me measure this dimension 255. Okay, that's fine. Now we can delete this one. Now, first of all, we'll create one extrusion for the brick. So this is our reference one, this is our view one, and this is our exterior. Okay, so first of all, we'll create over here one brick. So we'll go in the create an extrusion, and over here we'll make one brick. Okay, so over here, okay, over here we'll choose the reference level, click on the OK, and we'll use the, let me set again, reference plane, reference level, click on the OK, and now here we'll make one profile. Okay, now let me draw the length of the brick to 30 mm. Enter the width of the brick 110 mm. Enter, and over here again 130 and 0. And if you see over here, I'll draw one another line diagonal, and I'll place the pattern at the center of our reference place. Okay, so if you see over here, we have gap because when we rotate this brick diagonally, then the end of this diagonal end will come exact here. So that's why I have kept a 255 diagonal dimension as a width. So I hope you understood the meaning of my words, and you can say the meaning of keeping 255 mm width. Okay, so let me rotate this. Over here we'll rotate from the center. Okay, that's fine. And we'll rotate like this way. So if you see, we have completely perfectly we have fit the pattern. Now we'll delete this one and click on the finish. Now over here, if you see in the elevation, we'll change over here 70 mm. Enter, and again, we'll copy this above. So first of all, we'll mirror this brick. So in the plan, we'll use the mirror command, and as you can see, we have perfectly mirrored the our brick. Okay, so if you see over here, it's overlapping, but we'll adjust the height of second layer brick. So if you see, we have like this way created the two bricks, and now the will assign the material. Select all bricks, two bricks, and over here we can assign the material. So over here we'll create the brick material. Let's search. Okay, so here we'll use this one. And now in the we'll first of all we'll duplicate this material. So duplicate, and over here we'll assign the let's say name brick color only. And now if you see over here we have a pattern. So यहाँ पे हमको pattern नहीं चाहिए, just we need color of brick. So first of all we'll check this option, and over here we can identify, if you see, RGB of our brick color. So first of all 130 72 45. So first of all over here we'll use the color, and before that just you need to duplicate. Actually I forgot, but you must need to duplicate the material, then you need to change over here to color. And now over here will you can say we'll add the RGB, I guess 170. Again, I need to check what is the RGB of our. Okay, let's close and let me do it again. Let's select both bricks, and over here we'll go and we'll search the brick, and we'll add to our material library. Now here let me show you the RGB 130 72 45. Again, duplicate, and over here we'll assign the name only brick color. Okay, that's fine. Now, in the brick color, we'll go to appearance tab, and over here we'll duplicate first the material. Okay, now if you see in the information, we have only, let's say, brick color only. Okay, now over here, instead of image, we'll use the color. So यहाँ पे हम color use करेंगे. So first RGB was 170, 32, I guess, and 45. Okay. Let me cross check. I guess if you see in the previous material, we can see over here RGB 130, 72, 45. So in we'll change in this material. Go to appearance tab, and over here 170, 130, 130. Over here 72, 45. I guess that's right. Okay. Let's check again. 130, 72, 45. Okay, that's fine. This is correct. 130, 72, 45. Okay, now let's move further. यहाँ पे हमने brick का material create कर लिया. Click on the OK. Now, if you see, let me change to shaded view. So, if you see, we have perfectly created our brick panel. Now, you can save it to wherever you want. You can save in your local PC or wherever you want. And now, for now, I'm not saving, but I'm loading into the project. So, this is our family one. So, let's load into the project. I'm not saving the family. Okay, so first of all, over here, now we are in the project. So over here, we'll make wall, curtain wall. Now over here, let me draw one curtain wall. Let's say uh, 10, 20 feet. Okay, that's fine. And now over here, let me remove this detail lines and let me go to 3D view. Now over here, we'll select curtain wall, go to edit type, and यहाँ से हम duplicate करेंगे. So now here we'll assign the name angular brick wall. Brick wall like that. We'll duplicate the curtain wall. Now over here in the curtain panel, we'll choose our curtain panel family. So this was our family one. Let me search. Okay. So this one our family one. Now, if you see in the vertical grid, you must need to select the fixed distance, and over here we'll assign the spacing. That is our, if you see the length, diagonal length is, I guess 255 millimeters. And in the horizontal grid, if you see, we have adjusted the height of two layer of brick, that is our 140 mm. 140 mm, that's fine. Now click on the OK and let's see. So if you see यहाँ पे brick जो है वो perfectly यहाँ पे set हो गई है in the current panel. Let me hide few things. Let's say labels. Okay, and let me use the selection box command BX. Okay, let me change to shaded view. So if you see, we have perfectly adjusted the you can say brick walls and two layers of bricks, and we have adjusted in the angles. So this is how you can adjust the bricks in the angles and how to create the curtain panel family. And by using the curtain wall, you can create this kind of wall. So I hope you like this video, and if you really like our tutorial, please leave one like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.